Hello. How you doing, guys? Guess what? I went to Tuesday mornings. That's right, I did. I went to Tuesday mornings today. And they had all kinds of stuff, and I'm going to show that all to you, okay? So just hold on one second and take a look at what I saw. A lot of review stuff. They're doing inventory right now in all the stores, so they're pulling out like old stock and getting it up so that they don't have to put it in the discounts. So I thought I'd cover some fan favorite old stuff. We take a quick look at the aisles and see what they had. So take a look.
Love those 6x6 pads. Beautiful, yummy, luscious num-nums. Yes, there is. Look at them. They got this one here. Look at color blocks, neutral mats. Yep. They got all of the summer pads out, the Go Explore, the spring basics, all of them. They're all out here. Yes, they are. Ooh, what's that one? Playful Pets. That's cute. Now remember, they are in the middle of their inventory right now, so they will be putting stuff out over the next couple of weeks.
Did you see this? In the cart?
Alright, so we've got all kinds of pens and markers and paint. So they got the basic acrylics. Let's take a look at these. These are the Art Supply Basics, the acrylic sets for $8.99, 221-6217. They have a reasonably decent art supply, basic supply company. Watercolor paint for $4.99, 227511. Very similar to the one that I have, actually. We have some acrylic brushes. Always nice to get a nice set of acrylic brushes. Usually they have the watercolor brushes, but I don't see those today. But everything's a little... They have a nice set of folk art mixed media brushes. No price on that one. Let's take a look and see if there's a price on the next one. One of these has to have a price. Here we go. $199, 218,315. Well, we're just going to have to take that up to the front, give it to Claire, fix that. Because that's going to be no good on our inventory. Alright. Nothing new in the adhesive section. Now they do have this, of course, which is their journaling section, and they have quite a few things here. Let's take a look at this first one. So they have the giant paper clips. They're 6 in a pack for $1.99. The number on that is 2233122. All right, let's take a look at what we're really here for. Paper pads. Yay! This one's from We Are Memory Keeper. This is the assorted pack here for $3.49. Great price on this one, 217-4733. It is an older pad, but you know, it's classic, right? All the school stuff. Love the cut-aparts in here. Get that separate it. Look at report card, practice writing, hall passes. Come on. Too stinking cute, guys. Let's take a look at the next one I've got here. This is called Bliss and Birds and Butterflies from DCWV. Half of these sheets are glittered. $6.99 on this one. 226-8800. Ain't my thing. But I know there's somebody out there going, ooh. Alright, we've looked at that before. We know we have. We're just checking things out because they are doing the inventory, you know. So here's Southern Belle. Again, this is DCWV pad. $6.99 on this one. 217-8776. Let's take a look. Lemons and flowers. Wait a minute. Was that booze? Look! Booze! There's paper with booze on it. I'm not kidding. Look.
Okay, I'm coming to look. You're not lying.
Alright, so that's the Southern Belle pad.
Alright, so we're back. You guys don't need that. So let me show you first what the Amy got. Because the Amy did some shopping. Let me show you. So the Amy bought some Karen cakes Yarn Inspirations. And basically, this is like a, color changing, one of those ombre type things. $3.99 for this one. Not bad at all. 2217348.
They had an orange one that I wanted, but I couldn't bring myself to buy two.
Okay. Well, she got one and she's happy with it. And she's going to be doing some knitting. And then she got herself a set of inexpensive watercolors because she's afraid to play with mine, apparently. Or mine are just not good enough for her. I don't know. And then she got herself an After Dark for $2.99. This is, for her mixed media. It's got some bats in it and stuff. She wanted some more bat choices for bats, so we got that. And that was $2.99, 210-2432. And Amy also got some Bow Bunny Brads from the Harmony collection. They got a lot of the Harmony collection in right now, guys. It's just one of those things. Sweet Clementine and Harmony. They like everywhere. These are 220-9845 for $2.99. And then the Amy Loves Foam Brushes. And this is a pack of 25 from King Art for $4.99. 222-7497. Not a bad deal. So that's what the Amy got. And now she can come get her stuff off my desk when she's done eating the pizza that I bought her for lunch. All right. So what did I get? So Amy found this. It's smooth texture, coordinates, premium cardstock, craft color, 65 pounds, 50 sheets for $2.99, 2222366. And I've been going through a lot of this lately, so that's a good deal. Then I got Passport. This is the Cartabella Passport pad for $2.99, 2211984. And I don't know why, but I like the colors. I've looked at it a few times. I've decided I had to have it, so I grabbed it. I am working on traveler's books, but, nothing that would fit this paper. But I like it, and I'm going to try and see if I can find the 12 by 12 of this, but I do have the chipboard, so I figured I'd grab it. All right, another thing I found were these Folk Art Mixed Media Brush Sets. You get 3 brushes in here for $1.99, 218-5315. You get a 3/4 inch flat, a 3/8 inch flat, and a number 1 script liner. So not bad. Some nice brushes. So I grabbed these, and I also got a pack for the Amy. And then I was in the back, and I found these from Heidi Swap. These are like little sticky notepads that I thought would be cute for some of my journaling that I'm doing for $1.99, 202-9187. And then these here, there were two of these. For $149, 205-5789, and they're just craft paper stickers with like gold on the edges, and they're kind of cool. So I grabbed those. All right, so that's all I got. Just a whole bunch of stuff. So do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, hit the red button and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And by all means, if there's something that I can scaventure for you, please let me know, and I'll keep my eye out for it. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.